Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show. Where am I going the right way? Yeah. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Hong Kong. Spicy pork by Doll. Not too hard to find, and you won't be disappointed. I've really enjoyed this brand for years, and it's been close to 10 years since I've had these, so they get a fresh new review. 3 minutes on the boil. Yeah. It's like there's certain varieties that I haven't had in so long. It's like, you know, I always refer people to try these things, and it's like, wait, I better try them again because recipes do have a tendency to change due to sourcing issues and stuff, so it's fair. Let's do our quick quote of the day from Momo Fukuando, the guy who invented the instant noodle, and we'll chat about whatnot. Number 281. I'm turning that down a little bit. Stir. It's an occasion. I'll stir with this slight occasional stir. 281. People have to eat no matter where they go, even outer space. And this was upon being asked by a reporter why he decided to take up developing space food ramen. Yeah, so he came up with this, what is it called? Space Ram. It looks like it says Space Ram, but it's like Space Ram. And what you doing, Mimi? Did you finish your lunch? Go finish your lunch. What you doing? What are you doing? I think she's throwing her lunch at me. What is it? What is it, Mimi? Well, go finish your lunch. You're good to go. And what happened today? I had to go out and get some ingredients for the reviews I'm doing today. Not this one in particular, the next two, that's for sure. I got smoked scallops. I baked some chicken. What else? I got some other stuff for maybe tomorrow. They're like seafood noodles. And what's cool about these scallops is they're actually from my hometown. It's like I know exactly they're from where I come from. They're from my homeland. So yeah, pretty cool. It's been a good day so far. Looks like it's gonna be real nice and sunny. I got out when it wasn't even light out yet, but that's what happens. But yeah, I'm doing the next one that I'm doing. I wanted to get something special for it, and it turns out the something specials were 50% off. So I was like, yee! A discount is something special. Especially at the local grocery store where everything's... You hear the newest one? There's like a shortage of chicken wings. There's no shortage of chicken, just the wings. That doesn't make any sense. As far as I know, most chickens come with wings, so have they developed, maybe they're like complaining that they haven't had time because of the COVID. The scientists were busy making sure nobody died, and now they're like, you know, ladies and gentlemen, what we need is a multi-winged chicken. Not just 2, let's try 6. Across the, I don't know. A chicken with 6 wings, does that sound like a good idea? If you like chicken wings, that's perfect, right? If you need more chicken wings, 6 wings? That's like 3 chickens in one. I don't have any chicken wings. There's a shortage. Get out of the kitchen. It's boiling hot. Out, out, out. Finish your lunch. End of discussion. Yeah. Ooh, it's got a pretty. Spicy pork. So let's give this a go. This is one of those songs that has no BPM, no beats per minute. But I mean, it has a timing. Cheers. Not bad. I gotta say, I like the noodles in these. There is the broth. I'm gonna be using these fancy new bowls today, just because I'm gonna. You know, some of this new music is actually alright. This isn't bad. Well, let's see, what do we want to do here? Chinese sausage, baby. Yep. Chinese sausage in my noodle. Ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ooh. Sorry. Chinese sausage in my noodle. I'll stop. No, I probably won't. Out. Springy onion. It's time to cheese your burger. Cheese the burger you plan to enjoy. But this isn't a burger at all. And I don't even like cheeseburgers. I think I hear children that need to be sent to child jail. Not necessary. I see what's going on out there. No need for child jail. No jail for children today. Sounds like space disco. I dig it. Sounds like space. Rotato, do your thing, baby, do your thing. Ooh, sparkle sounds. Gotta love the sparkling sound. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Well. What do we have here? Coming in from Malaysia, we've got My Quality and their white fish broth. Rice vermicelli. That's coming next. Stick around. It'll be up tomorrow. You'll enjoy it. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It's been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Take my advice and do it. Have a good one. Bye.